In this video, we're going to walk through how to add photos to your crops. So click on the Photos tabs, and this is your image gallery. Everything that you have ever uploaded AI or physically uploaded a photo or taken a photo. For example, there's some of my florist recipes in there, but these are all the photos that you have in there. You can go ahead and name the images, and the way that you know that if a crop has a photo is there's a little camera icon right there that you can see. So that means that it has a photo associated with it that the florist will see. So click on the edit button, scroll down, and there is the image. You can click on my photos and physically upload something. You can use your own photos, you can upload it new, or you can go into the AI image generator. Now, just be mindful that you're not copywriting someone else's images, and that is why we have the AI generator. I know it's not perfect, I know it's not ideal, but just trying to be mindful of other people's photos, other people's images, and making sure it's on there.